Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem faced by Excel users. Picture this: you have a spreadsheet with a list of tasks in one sheet and references to those tasks in another. But what if you want to switch to an alternate set of data without manually updating each reference? Well, that's where a problem comes in. The solution to our problem lies in the use of the INDIRECT function. By integrating this function into your formulas, you can create dynamic references that pull data from specific sheets like tasks or tasks alt. It's like having a single cell act as a variable, allowing you to change the reference sheet effortlessly. However, it's important to note that INDIRECT is volatile and will recalculate whenever there's a change in the workbook. In conclusion, we've learned how to solve our problem of easily switching between reference sheets in Excel by utilizing the INDIRECT function. This handy tool enables us to create dynamic references and streamline our workflow. So go ahead, give it a try in your own spreadsheets, and make your life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Excel tip.